If you're facing a Trello sync problem, you might notice boards not updating, cards not syncing, or changes not appearing across devices. Yeah, this usually happens because of connection issues, app glitches, or browser-related problems. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through several fixes that usually restore syncing in Trello. First, make sure your internet connection is stable on all devices. Trello relies on real-time syncing, so a weak or unstable connection can delay updates. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the Trello app. This forces the app to reconnect and sync the latest data. If syncing still doesn't work, try logging out of Trello and signing back in. This refreshes your account session and can fix sync-related issues. If you're using Trello in a browser or app, clearing cache or app data can help. Corrupted data can sometimes prevent proper syncing. If the issue continues, the problem might be on Trello's side. Occasionally, server outages can delay or interrupt syncing. Finally, make sure your Trello app is updated. If needed, reinstalling the app can fix deeper issues affecting synchronization. And that's it. One of these fixes usually restores Trello syncing across